Welcome back to another video here that we're gonna, invest a little bit more in BEEFY. I just want to show you guys how BEEFY is going right now. It's going pretty well. We invested a total of $498 and we still owe $4 to this platform. So we're gonna do that right now as well. And, regarding the investments, let me just open this up. Regarding the investments, we don't have more people investing right now. So it's, it's early in the new month here, which is August. It's the second right now for me. So I'm going to just invest $50 more. We didn't, unfortunately, get more members or more sponsors on the channel. So it's unfortunate. I'm just going to take this out of my pocket then and maybe just invest once every month, like early every month, just invest $50. Because, it's a retirement fund. We kind of have to stay at it. Another thing I just want to mention to you guys, there's a new event happening right now in Starbits. Links in the description if you want to use Starbits. It's still one of my favorite websites. I use this every single day. I'm not even kidding. And I just mine in my daily income and then I rank and get money. I get USDT for, ranking. And then I take that as my daily income instead. But yeah, we are going back to this link right here. Bungie experimental. We're going to change from Binance Smart Chain to Arbitrum. If I click on max here, it's roughly $54 that we're going to get. It seems that Arbitrum is using Ethereum as gas. So I'm going to just use Ethereum then. And we're going to transfer from BNB to ETH. And that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm going to proceed here and just follow the steps in order to get this done. So bin bridge. I will have to withdraw some BNB from somewhere because I'm withdrawing all my BNB. And yeah, sometimes this can take up to like 5 minutes for this to happen. So I'll just have to sit and wait for this process to run. You can see estimated wait time is 5 minutes. So I'll see you guys soon again. All right, so it seems that it's done. I went from Binance Smart Chain all the way to Arbitrum Ethereum. So you can see Ethereum is over here now in the Arbitrum website. That's pretty cool. Pretty much love this feature. It's so cool. So if I go back to here, you can see that, let's just talk about how we did in the past. Yeah, so we are yielding $23 in total. This number goes up and down so much. Like sometimes it's 20 cents, sometimes it's $1. I think the highest I've seen it was $2.50. So it's there for like an hour or so, then it goes back to like 30 cents. Like it's just like bouncing around the whole time. But nonetheless, this is just working really well so far. Our profit and loss at the moment is $30 in the profit, and it's actually pretty good. So I talked to a admin in BEEFY, and I told him like how bad Gamma is, and he explained to me that yeah, Gamma is terrible when it comes to actually going up all the time, even if you're getting interest, because the new pool is just so much better, which is CLM. And he talked about Arbitrum for a minute also. So I clicked on Arbitrum and I clicked on CLM, and I see this unknown coin here, QGWETH, and it gives 26 million % APR, which is absolutely insane. 3% daily. I don't know how long it's going to be like this, but I'm just going to put in, our $54 that we owe to this and just see how it goes. So I'm going to take ETH here. I'm going to scroll up until we get 56 or 54, sorry, 54. New deposits are temporarily unavailable for the current price outside of CLM zone or calm zone. Please wait a few minutes and try again. So that really sucks. I think I could just do this until it works. That's close enough, I would say. Now, I don't know how expensive they are when it comes to gas fees or anything like that. I've never been in Arbitrum before, but it's going to be awesome to check it out. And yeah, it's maybe gonna take a minute for us to actually get into it. That's as close as we can get to 54. So I'm going to do this until we can actually invest. I don't know how long it's going to take. So it succeeded now. Deposit. Finally can click that button. Dude, the gas fee is almost nothing. Holy. Maybe that's why BNB is like having some issues when it comes to stuff like this. And it's because their gas fee is, I mean, it's not that high, but like if you compare it to other chains, it is extremely high, right? So there we go. We got invested here into this pool. It took me about 3 minutes or so, just spamming that button. So you can see we have $54 in there. That's great, bro. That is so great. And our daily income now is $3. That is just ridiculous. But yeah, let's see how this will go. We invested $53 and we are already up 54.79. So we're already up almost $1. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, obviously, once a month, how things are going. But once I invest, I'm not going to take it out. So even if it does poorly, we might put some more in. I don't think we will, because the one next to that, the one after that is actually very interesting to me. Pepe WETH. That means both is crypto, which is going to be insane. I'm also a fan of Pepe. I mean, I don't watch a lot of their skits or, you know, comics or anything like that, but I know Pepe is going to be, I mean, it already did its, I don't know how many X's, like 1,000x or something. But who knows, man? Like just investing into it, getting a 400% APR, that's going to be very good. By the way, guys, a very, very stable still, in my opinion, is obviously BitFury. I've been using BitFury as well now. Been making a lot of videos for you guys about this. I honestly do think that, also link is in the description. I honestly do think that it's really, really nice to have Bitcoin staked here for 27% APR. It's really nice. Keep in mind, it's APR, not APY. APR is a lot more than APY. So just keep that in mind. It's really, really good. I'm staking in here as much Bitcoin as I possibly can, because I always want to have the most of my money has to be in Bitcoin. So yeah, just want to tell you guys that. Anyway, hope you guys did enjoy today's video so far. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'm looking forward to see you guys in the very next video. Love you, take care, and as always, remember to twist some lips. Take care. Bye-bye.